Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP Intermediate Exam 7 marks question for the subject MAC 2B important questions. In this video we will discuss about all LAQ questions of 2B. In next video we will also upload about SAQ and VSAQ questions of 2B. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us start the video. See, the first chapter for LAQs is the circle. Normally what happen in circle, they will ask a question from 2 points of circles, 3 points, 4 points and concyclic. The first is find the equation of a circle passing through 3 points. Second question is also same, passing through 3 points. Fourth, next question is show that the points are concyclic. You know that whenever the examiner asks you a question about concyclic, means they will give 4 points. You have to find out the concyclic one, whether the fourth point lies on the 3 points or not. Next is show that the 4 points are concyclic, find the equation of a circle. Next is if 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 0, c are concyclic, find the value of c. This is a very important question. 3 points, 4 points and concyclic and find the value of c. These are the very important questions. Next is find the equation of a circle whose center lies on x-axis. Sometime they may ask you a question whose center lies on y-axis. So remember, x-axis means you have to take on x-axis x comma 0. If it gives y-axis, the point is 0 comma y. Next is find the equation of a circle whose points are 2 points are given, c4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5, and whose center lies on a line. See, whenever the examiner asks this kind of question, what you have to do, just take a circle, let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Next, substitute the 2 points and the center lies, you know the formula of center minus g comma minus f, that in the line in place of x and y, just substitute a minus g comma minus f and you will get a line. A equation, solve that equation same like for 3 points, definitely you will get the answer. Next, this 2-point question may ask in 4 marks also, or sometime it may ask for 7 marks. Next question is show that the circles touch each other and find the point of contact and common tangent. This is a very important question. Normally this kind of question are asked by the examiners: point of contact, common tangent, and whether the circle touch each other or not, whether they are touching internally or externally. Next, B1 is same question, point of contact, common tangent. Next, last 3 questions, these are very important question. If you see the examiner, now they are asking so many questions for circles, definitely they prefer one question. Normally for circles, for Telangana and AP, they will ask. For Telangana, we are expecting more question. For AP, they will ask 2 LAQs. So be prepared for the last 3 questions, very important. Prove that the combined equation of pair of tangent drawn from external point s is equals to 0, x1 square is equals to s into s11. Next, same question for find the transverse common tangent of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equals to 0. This is a very last 2 questions are very important question. Practice this question, definitely it will give you maximum mark. This is all about circle. See, in circle, 3 points concyclic, find the value of c, 2 points and the center lies on a line, and the x-axis, find the equation of a circle whose center lies on x-axis is a very important question. All these questions are very important. Practice this, definitely it will give you maximum marks in the chapter circle. Let us go to a system of circle. I would like to tell the student that this system of circle, this year they are asking LAQ only for Telangana student, but this is not important for AP student. AP student, this circle, system of circle is not for LAQ for according to your blueprint. So don't practice this question. This system of circle LAQs is only for Telangana student, not for AP students. Find the equation of a circle which cuts the circle you have to find out the equation. Find the equation of a circle passing through and cutting orthogonally the circle. Find the equation of circle which cut orthogonally the circle. And this fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, very important. Practice this question, definitely you will get good marks, TS students. Next is parabola. Parabola, most of the students, they know that they will ask one LAQ for parabola. First is the very important question: derive the equation of parabola y square is equals to 4x in the standard form. Next is find the coordinate of the vertex focus equation of directrix axis of the parabola. Next is find the equation of parabola parallel to x-axis and y-axis. These two are very important question. Next is find the equation of parabola whose focus is -2, 2. Directrix is the line is given. Find the length of lateral rectum and the equation of the parabola. Show that the common tangent y x square plus y square is equals to 2a square, y square equals to 8ax. And the last sixth one is a very important question. Sometime they may ask 1 by 8a, sometime they may ask 1 by 16a. This is a very important question. If you prefer preparing for this, so I request you to go for a standard form. Next is x-axis, y-axis. Third question is very important, and the last question is very important. If you are practicing, if you have less time, so go with first question and the third and fourth question, and then sixth question. So first select first question, third question, sixth question. These are very important question. Remaining question, if you have time, then only you practice, otherwise you don't practice, because most of the time examiner will ask question from x-axis or y-axis, or sometime 1 by 18a, 1 by 16a, or sometime they may ask only standard form of parabola, equation for the standard form of parabola. Next is indefinite integrals, is a very scoring chapter. I have given here all the LAQs, all most important LAQs I have listed here. Practice this question, that definitely give you maximum marks in indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals is a chapter that give mostly more marks compared to any other chapters. So this year we are expecting more marks for Telangana as well as for AP. So go ahead, check the blueprint. We will give the description in the blueprint will also given in the description. Click the link, you will get the description. In the description we have given a link for the blueprint, so that with that you can check and you can practice for both the state Telangana and AP. Let us go to the next chapter, very important chapter, definite integral. This is the chapter that gives maximum marks, 7 marks for both the state. Practice this question. I have given just limited questions here. Practice this question, they definitely give you good marks in your board exam. Let us come to the differential equation. I have given here some question for differential equation. Solve dy by dx xy plus y by xy plus x, dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1. And this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these are very important question. One LAQ we are expecting for both the states from differential equation. Practice each and every LAQs from differential equation, definite integrals and indefinite integrals. And the next is parabola. The next chapter is system of circle, is only for TS student, not for AP student. Remaining all question is for both the state, that is a common questions. This question are very important, students. Practice this question, that we are expecting some good marks. I am sure if you practice this, that will fetch you 35 out of 35 in your board exam. I request the students that we are working hard to make to give you the important questions. If you have any doubt, any queries regarding this question, you can write in our comments so that we will reply. Next video I will upload the math 2B SAQs and VSAQs. At the same time we will also upload 2A SAQs and VSAQs. We are working hard to give you questions very soon. Why? Because as there is a deletion, so many deletion has been done, so we have to see carefully each and everything, then we have to give you, because blindly we cannot give you the questions, because these questions are the question that can give you maximum marks. So we are working hard. It definitely is taking time from us to release the all the question, but this time why we are taking, why we want to give the student the correct information at the right time. So this is all about. I request you, please share this video with your uh, colleagues and those students, those who are writing math 2A and 2B paper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.